Hi everyone. Today we are going to see how to create a Google form test. Okay, test using Google form. You just go to Google and type Google Forms. It will shows like this, and just click and open the form. Create a beautiful forms. Okay, so go to Google Forms. It's personal. I want to conduct a test personal and choose your mail ID. I just choose my Gmail ID now, and then we go for the Google form formats. Any of the one format you can choose. I just want to choose this and choose your Google form. Okay, and now we need to change the title. This is my test 1. So I just change this title as test 1. Okay, so I just want to change this title as test 1. Okay, so test 1. Okay, so I keeping okay test 1. This is my title. I want to keep my university name as title, and this is the theme, that is test 1. Test 1, what is your name is the required question. So I just give my students to type their name, and one more thing, I want the register number of the student. Okay, so just type the register number. This is a short question, so short answer I just keep. Okay, these are the required questions. Okay, these are the important questions, so I just keep the required. This is the required question. So required question means it will shows the red star in the question, so it's a compulsory question. Without that you can't submit the form. Okay, so keep required. What is your name? Okay, name is the required question. And one more question I want to add, that is I need to collect the email ID of the student. Okay, so email ID of the student I want. So it's also a short answer, so just change it short answer. It's a required question, so keep required. Okay, so keep required. And one more question, if you want another one, you can add questions. You want to add a question, you just keep the plus. Okay, it will add the question. Okay, these are already in the format. I don't want this means you just delete it. Okay, how many of you are attending this and all already in the format, so I just want to delete that one. And I need to if you want the phone number, you just type the phone number of the student I need. Okay, it's a required question, phone number. It's also a short answer, so I keep phone number as short answer. Suppose you want the paragraph question, you want to give a paragraph question, you choose this and just write the question. That's enough. Okay, if suppose I want the multiple choice question, I just keep the multiple choice question I have in my already I have in a question bank. So from my question bank I choose the question, I keep it here, just control V, control C, control V. Okay, multiple choice question. So options, so no need to copy one by one option, you just copy all the options and keep it here. Okay, so but I don't want that ABC options and all. Why? Because it will shuffle the answers at last. Okay, it will shuffle the answers and show them, so no need of that ABC options and all. Okay, it will shuffle the question. Okay, so it's also a required question. You can keep required, or otherwise you will leave it if their wish. Okay, you just leave it. Okay, this is my first question. I have to put the question number 1 here. Okay, in second question, the value of A0, AN, BN are known as. Okay, so second question I just keep the second question here. Okay, this is not a checkbox. I don't want checkbox, I want just a multiple choice question. So I don't want any themes and all. Already in the format na, I just delete everything. These options and all I need to change. Okay, change my option. What are that? Just I copy my options. Copy my options. Control C. Select Control C. Okay, here Control V. Option 1. Control V. Okay, all the 4 options are pasted here, but I don't want that ABC because it will shuffle the options, right? It will shuffle the options. So now I need to cancel these and all. Only 4 options are there. Here some of the other options is already. I just cancel everything. Okay. Now suppose you feed the answers here, you can get a grade directly. It will evaluate automatically and gives the grade automatically. Okay. So your work is very easy. No need to evaluate. You just directly feed the answers here, means it's easy for you. So how can you feed the answer? Just go to the settings. Here this is the settings. Go to the settings. Make it as a quiz. Make this a quiz option you can put and save it. Now you can come here, means it will shows you the option to give the input of answer. Here answer key option is there. So just to put the answer key option. What is the answer for this first question? B. Option B is the answer for this first question. So put B. B is the correct answer and put the points as 2. 2 points I want to give for this first question. Keep done. And this is our answer. Okay, go to the next question. What is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question? D. Option D is the answer for this question. So I choose the answer D. Okay. So for answer key, D is the correct answer and I want to choose the points. For this also I want to give 2 points. Done. Okay, everything done. So 2 questions I gave in this form and total points are 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, 4 points I give you. And now this and all I don't want. I just delete. Now okay, next what I want to do, whatever you don't want to, just delete it. Okay, this email address already I gave, so I delete this. So this is my form. Okay, yes. Now go to this add-ons. Now if you want to give the certificate, you go for this add-on Certify-M and log in with your mail ID. This gives you certificate, generates the certificate automatically. Okay, it generates the certificate automatically and goes to the form limiter, means how many of them can attend this quiz and how much time limits also you can set here. Okay, this is the form limiter and this is the theme. Here this theme you don't want, now you can go with the another theme. Okay, you can go with the another theme. Okay, so what theme you want? Images are there, you can choose any of the one image. Okay, any of the one image you can choose. Okay, so I want this image. 1 minute. I want this image. I choose that. So I got it. Okay, this image I want. Now you can choose that image. And the colors also you can change it. Any of the one color you can change it. Okay, any colors you can add. You put add means it will shows the different color. Okay, and then the fonts also you can change it. What are the fonts? Now I just keep the basic font here. If suppose you want this font, now you can change it. Font styles you can change it. Okay, font style also you can change it. Okay, so these are the options here in the theme option, and then this is the preview. If you can send to anybody, how they can view the form. Okay, up to the submit. Okay, they can fill. It shows 2 points. This is the view of the form, what they can get it. Okay, so preview shows you the form preview, and then you go for the settings. If suppose you need to collect the emails, you can put limit to one respond. You can keep na one person can attend once the test. Okay, next time they can go to the respondent. It can inform you already responded. Okay, it can inform you already responded. One time only they can attend the quiz. Okay, so keep save, and then how to send, how to share. Through email also you can share. If suppose you wants to share through email, you could just type the email IDs, or otherwise you wants to send the link. You just copy the link here and you paste the link in the through WhatsApp. Any of the way you can share the link, or otherwise directly you can share using Facebook or Twitter. The link can be shared through Twitter or Facebook. Okay, these are the options. Okay, all the best to attend the test and make the Google form. Okay, okay, see you in the next video, and then bye from you. Bye, see you.